Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the opportunity of speaking with Vic Thapar. He's running for town council in the town of Orangeville. Thank you very much for being here today, Vic.
Thank you, Brad, for having me here.
So I wanted to talk to you today about an issue that is also of top of mind for voters, which is the problem with old debates and things that have plagued town council that are constantly wanting to be brought back up. What is your stance on bringing old issues back to the table? And if you are in favor of doing it, is there any specific issue that you would bring back?
See, Brad, what I feel is if the fires have been already put down, why to bring them up? Right? I am not planning to bring any of those issues back up, but if in case they come back up, I will definitely go in interest of my people, what's best for them, and I'll go with the council.
Okay, so you're not actively going to bring anything up, but if something is brought back to the table, obviously you're going to do what's in the best interest.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much for coming in and answering that important question. If you'd like to get some more information on Vic, feel free to take a look at the links below. And thank you for watching.
Thank you.